Good evening. My name is Marjorie Cabral, and today I will be presenting to you a video on how to label images. This is for my Biology 240 class, and today is January 14, 2017. Okay, let's start. First, you're going to go here on this page and click on the video lab exercises. That's a left click. And then you're going to do a left click on the part 1 exercise instruction. Once you get into this page, I want you to check on the renaming of your lab report assistant. So you're going to left click and drag it, highlight it. Again, left click, highlight it, and then right click on that highlight part, copy. Left click on copy. And then you're going to click on the experiment assistant. Okay, now it's downloading right here. And when it's done downloading, you click on the arrow and you left click on open. Once the downloading is done, you will see this tab which says Enable Editing. Left click on that. Once it is enabled on editing, you click on Enter, so your document will go down. And then you left click here and then put your renaming over there. You paste. Okay? And then I want it bigger. So I want to change my font into, let's say, 20. And then you're going to change this one and make it proper. So Biology 240, and then you just change all of these and change it, put your last name and your first initial in it. And then now we are ready to rename our picture, our image. So first, click on the picture. When you click on the picture, you go here. There's a tab here, Insert. You left click on Insert, and then you go to Textbook. Left click on Textbook. Once you get that, click the simple text box. That's left click, and then you will get this one. This one is where you're going to put your label. So I don't want the highlighted part. You click on backspace to empty that part. Okay? And then we're going to resize that box. To resize it, you will see those circles. So you just grab. I like to put it on my left side, so I drag it to the left. And then this part, drag it to the left again. And then the middle circle, drag it to the right. To drag it down. There you go. So that's where you're going to put your label. Okay? First, I'd like to put my words first. So I would like to put my nucleus petrocyte, which I can... No, I'll just type it in. Nucleus of petrocyte. Okay. And then click Enter again. I like to put all my words first, my label, my words, and then I can put my arrows. So next I would like to put in acidophil. Acidophil. Next, I would like to put in the basophil. Okay, so those are my words. Once my words are there, I can left click on Insert, And then I can go to shapes. In shapes, you can choose anything you want, but I like to use this arrow. Okay? And then then you have to find your what part you would like to label. I like to do the nucleus pituocyte first. So I look for where the nucleus pituocyte is, which is there. And then you grab on that arrow and then move it like that. Okay? So that is, and then outside click, and it will show where your nucleus pituocyte is. Again, let's do it again. Left click on insert, go to shapes, click on your arrow, left click, and then we're going to find your image. This time is acidophil, so let's click on the acidophil, left click, and then drag your arrow to the acidophil word. Outside click, and that is it. Okay, one last one. Let's go to insert again, shape, click on your arrow, and then let's click on your basophil cell, and then I drag the arrow, and that's it. That's how you label an image. Again, this is Marjorie Cabral, and I would like to thank you for being a part of this video. Thank you. Good night.